How to get your first wholesaling real estate deal in under 2 weeks using my BOLL method. What's going on, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I'll be breaking down my BOLL method on how you are going to use it to get your first deal in under 2 weeks. And you might be like, Zach, what in the world is the BOLL method? This is a method where you are going to be a charging bull, and you're going to go out here and just attack anything in sight and use that head first with your horns and get a wholesaling real estate deal. Now, the honest truth here, you're going to be like a bull when all it sees is red. It doesn't see anything else. It's just angry and it's looking right at the red. It's just going boom. That's exactly what you're going to do here. You're going to have no distractions. You're not going to, oh, should I do MLS? Should I do that? This is just straight what you got to do step by step. But before I break it down, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Zach Ginn. I'm 26 years old. I've done over 4,000 wholesaling real estate deals in about 10 years-ish. And I'm the first and foremost educator when it comes to wholesaling real estate. I've taught more people how to get their first wholesaling real estate deal than anybody else on the internet. And what I want to do today is show you how people in 2026 are going out here and getting wholesaling real estate deals with the BOLL method, so you don't have to go out here and call 5-10 hours a day. This is a simple and easy system anybody can be doing to charge forward for their wholesaling real estate success.
One church, sorry.
So let's break down exactly the BOLL method. So I'll be sharing that with you, how to get your first deal in under 2 weeks with this method. Now, what I want you to do is pretend that in this training, in this video, that you have paid $5,000 to go out here and learn the BOLL method, okay? This is a proprietary $5,000 course, webinar, whatever training you did. If you actually pretend like you spent $5,000, I promise you, you're going to pay attention. The reason why it works so much better when you pay to learn wholesaling than to get it for free is because you mentally like, oh crap, I actually spent the money. I better actually go out here and actually do exactly what the Zach guy said. So again, I'm not going to charge you. I never charge people how to learn wholesaling real estate. I'll never charge you how to get your first deal. I'll never charge you how to learn this business. But in exchange, I want you to still pretend that you spent the $5,000, because if you didn't, then you're not going to pay as much attention, and that's obviously not good. Now I got the bull here, the charging bull, the angry bull. This is what you are going to be doing. You are not going to focus on anything else except for charging forward. Have your blinders on, okay? So this method on the BOLL method is 3 simple frameworks. So framework number 1 here, okay? We are going to spend 1 hour a day polling lists. So there's 2 specific lists I want to push you on this method. It's going to be government lists and AI lists. Now, I've taught a lot about government lists, maybe not so much on AI type of lists, but pretty much, let's talk about the first one, government lists. This is lists that you get from the government that costs no money at all. Now, if we go here on the board here, you can pretty much see, and this was from, Rick actually did a live stream about this, so I had him keep him up, but this is actually straight from our real estate wholesaling coursing community, freewholesaling.com. And inside of freewholesaling.com, we actually teach how to wholesale real estate completely for free. Kind of like this training you're seeing here, except for just the entire wholesaling real estate business. But on here, we have a little chart here on what type of government list you should be pulling and how hard and where to pull this data. So he actually did a whole training on this, and so I actually made him keep the board up for this. But this is basically what it is, right? Pre-foreclosures, evictions, probates, tax delinquent properties, liens, code violations, water shutoff, the arrest records, fire damage properties, and the divorce list. Now, you might want to screenshot this for a second here, but pretty much what you're going to find here is, how do you pull a pre-foreclosure list? You do it from the county clerk house or the clerk at the court. And then from there, you're going to either pull it online if you can, or actually go in person and request a list. Now, you don't want to request a list of pre-foreclosures. What you want to do is request a list of properties that have a list pendants filing, or a list pendants filing from the bank of people not paying their mortgage. Is it public record? Yes, they have to give you this list. And these are the marketing channels, which BOLL method, I wouldn't really worry about that right now. Evictions, this is from the county clerk house. Get that online or in person. Same thing with the probates. The tax delinquent list, you get that from the county tax collector, in person or online. Liens, same thing, online or clerk of the court. Code violations, you're going to get from your city and county code enforcement, online or in person. Water shutoff list is going to be from the utility company. Hard to do in person, phone or email is going to be your best shot. Arrest records from the sheriff, city or county police departments, online or in person. Fire damage properties, get that from the fire department. You can call or email, or the divorce list. You can get that from the county clerk of the court, just like these lists. What you want to do here is you want to pull all the data. Okay, you're going to get list 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, list 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to pull all 10 of these lists. Now, the whole entire point here is we are going to pull all 10 lists, all 10 of them, and get them all into what we call a master list. I'll show you why, but a master list of all your government lists for the entire month. So this is recording in April. So for April, this is going to be the whole list for April for the year. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn that into straight cash, cha-ching. Okay, this is what we're doing it for, baby. Real money, 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 money. Okay, so we're going to take these lists and turn it into cash. You see, everything gets exciting when the cash gets out here, right? You might be like, Zach, why are you talking about lists? I'm talking about the lists because they actually get you results. They get you money. Now, what are AI lists? Well, AI lists are lists from any other wholesaling software. I mean, by the way, you don't have to have X leads. But every wholesaling software usually has some AI data set where they pretty much look at all these data sets and AI can guess how likely somebody is to sell their property for cash. The way I like to explain it is if you go out here and pull, let's say, a vacant property list in your city, probably you got to pull about 8,000 to go out here and get a deal. Why? Because it's just vacant properties. It's just a general list. Now, if you went out here and pulled an AI list from, let's just call it xleads.com, you probably can pull about 1,000 of them and they'll end up being a deal for you. Now, does that mean an AI list that I'm telling you is going to be like this magic pill that gets you all the success and every single person on that list is a motivator? No. It's just more likely. Why? Because what the AI does, it looks at all the properties in your area. It looks at credit score changes, change of address called COA. It looks at income differences. It looks at age of the person. It looks at other factors. If it's vacant, is there liens? Are they paying their credit card? Information that XLeads can't publicly display due to privacy reasons, which there are some crazy ones in the back end. It can guess when all this stuff happens, when the person's more likely to sell. And so each property on XLeads has a score from 0 to 1,000, how likely they are to sell their property for a discount. Now, all you're going to do is you go to XLeads and you get anything that's a 750 or above, and that'll be a good list. Maybe get 200 or 300 of them for the month. But the whole point is there's other softwares that have AI lists, and so you don't have to use XLeads. But if a software that you have for your data has an AI data set, I would highly recommend you start pulling it now. These AI data sets are underutilized, which basically means that every wholesaler is not pulling them, and the ones that are having better results. Now, probably in the next 2 to 3 years, I'm just being real, I think everyone's going to get away from vacant property. They're going to start pulling more vacant AI-driven data sets, where this list is going to be maybe 2,000 or 3,000 for a deal. But as of this recording, the AI list on XLeads and other wholesaling softwares, I'm not going to name them, but there's plenty of them that do AI lists, they have the best advantage right now. So those are going to be the lists you're going to pull, about an hour per day. And then you're going to spend another hour per day marking this list. You see, the bull method is not a method to go out here and grind, grind, grind. I don't know if you've ever seen like a bull or been to a rodeo. You know, I'm a real southern boy. I'm in Florida, which is weird because like you're in the South, but you're not in the South. But I used to go to rodeos as a kid, not because my dad was a redneck or something, but I mean, why not? And charging bulls, you might not notice this. You think they all charge for hours and hours. They charge for like, bang! Very like short sprints, but they go boom, 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 boom. And that's what you got to do. You got to charge hard and fast and then get back out of there. You see, most people watching this, right, they don't have 8, 9, 10 hours a day to go out here and grind in wholesaling. I mean, I used to work 16 hours a day wholesaling. You might only have 2. This is exactly how to spend 2 hours a day at most to go out here and get a deal. Now, framework number 2, we don't have a lot of time. We're only spending 2 hours probably at most at marketing and finding these deals. So how in the world are we going to have an advantage over people who are calling 8 or 9 hours a day with multiple VAs? That's framework number 2. It's going to be my super hot fire lists. Now, you might be like, Zach, bro, you're not even spelling super right. What are you talking about? Guys, I don't know if you know this meme. All right, this is an old meme of a rapper. His name was Super Hot Fire. Okay, I recommend anyone who watches it. It's absolutely hilarious. But, you know, he's a rapper, but he's not a rapper. He's called Super Hot Fire. And basically, I just think it's funny. But pretty much you have to do that for your lists. You have to find the most super hot fire lists possible for wholesaling. Now, how in the world are we going to be doing this? Pretty simple. Framework number 2 is we are going to do what we call stacking lists. Now, stacking lists is a old method of wholesaling 5, 7, 8 years ago. That's making a big resurgence right now. But that's what we need to be doing right here. So where do you do this? Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to find duplicates. Remember, pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to get all 10 government lists. That might be, I don't know, call it 2,000 properties. And what you're going to do is you're going to find which ones show up more than once. You're going to find that maybe there's 150 properties from this list that maybe show up more. Maybe like 123 Main Street, right? Maybe it's a code violation and it's a probate. Oh yeah, it's showing up more than once. And by the way, this is what the AI list does, but this is going to be better because you're pulling it by hand. And softwares can't pull code violations yet. But what it's going to do is going to find that, oh my gosh, it's a duplicate. It pops up more than once in this data set of 10. That's the literal point. You might even get 20. Those 20 are going to be like, chef's kiss, amazing. So you're going to find the duplicates with Excel or Google Sheets. And we're going to use some AI with this too. Now, pretty much how this works is we're going to find addresses that pop up more than once on these data sets or duplicate files. Now, most people go out here and try to get rid of duplicate files. We're actually going to run towards these for wholesaling. So for example, there might be a code violation that's a probate and or an arrest record, or maybe an arrest record with a lien. This is the really important stuff. Now, the cool part is ChatGPT will literally do this for you. That's the point. You literally upload all 10 lists and have AI do it all. We are in the golden age of really wholesaling real estate when it comes to AI, because AI will do everything. So how do we do this framework number 2? Let me give you my AI scripts. Step 1, we're going to create a master sheet for all the addresses. So we're going to put all 10 into that master list. We just want to make sure the address is there. I would separate it to street address, city, state, and zip code. To be honest, you only need street address because X leads, you can do skip tracing with only the street address. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create a list of properties that show up more than once and put those into a separate spreadsheet of the lists that pop up more than once. So basically a super hot file list. And then from there, you're going to get everything all together. And we're going to hit these all with my third framework, which is marketing with my triple tap boom system. Now, you might have already heard of my triple tap system, but using this triple tap system, or what I call my triple threat system, with these leads and this lists and the government lists, you're going to be Gucci. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 3 lists, right? You're going to have list number 1, you're going to have list 2. Pretty much you're going to have your standard government lists. You're going to have your super hot fire list, basically your stacked list, right? Your stacked data set. And then you're going to have your AI lists. And boom, that is all going to be into your master marketing list. Now this list is going to be the first one because you want to do the stacked data set first. And you're just going to market these things like crazy. So what's my triple threat, my triple tap system? It's going to be number 1, you're going to call the leads. So the way I like to explain it again is we're going to take this entire list right here. We are then going to, number 1, we're going to call the leads. Number 2, we are going to text them. And number 3, we're going to leave a sticky note, or if we're virtually wholesaling, we're just going to give them an email. Or we're going to go out here and Facebook message these people. Now, what's the flow here? You're going to call this list of, let's call them 2,000 people we're going to call. Of those 2,000, only probably 20% are actually going to go out here and pick it up. That means we're going to have 1,600 people that didn't answer. We're going to text all 1,600 people. I would text them with Google Voice or X Leads, whatever you want. And then from there, we are just going to reverse drive for those, put sticky notes on the super hot file lists first. And then anything else we can do, I'll put sticky notes on those doors, email them, Facebook message them, and get a deal. Now you might be like, well, Zach, what if and, or, but? No. Ball method. Stay focused. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we're going to get a deal in the next 14 days. Now, what I want to give to you is my action plan for you for the next 2 weeks to go out here and get some motion, some traction wholesaling real estate so we can have success. Now, first and foremost, I'm assuming you guys don't want to manually skip trace properties by yourself, because to skip trace 2,000 properties will probably take you 10, 15 hours. I mean, I'd probably say closer to 30 hours to manually skip trace all these data sets, which will absolutely suck and it won't even be accurate. So to avoid that and to skip trace for free, I think everyone watching this should get a 14-day free trial to X Leads. Before you say, oh, Zach's just trying to push X Leads. I'm not trying to push X Leads. I'm legitimately telling you X Leads will give you 1,000 skip traces for free on their 14-day free trial. Now, of course, I think everyone should have X Leads, and I think everyone on the free trial should just go out here and keep X Leads. But literally, just get a 14-day free trial. It's 1,000 skips. Just do it for free. And now you're going to be able to skip trace these properties for free. Number 2, that should take you 5 seconds to sign up. We're going to be polling lists. Should take you about 3 days, literally at most. Poll all 10 lists. Again, what are the lists? Your pre-foreclosures, evictions, probates, tax delinquent, liens, code violations, water shutoff, arrest records, fire damage property, and the divorce list. And then with X Leads on the free trial, you're going to get the AI lists. Then what you're going to do is you're going to stack all 10 of those lists from the government into a master list, ChatGPT it, and get the stacked data set right here. Reach out to those people first, hit the triple tap system, you're going to call. Everyone that doesn't answer the call, you're going to text. Everyone that doesn't answer the text, we're going to put a sticky note, with these being the first ones to put a sticky note in. And we're going to run the sunset and make a ton of money wholesaling real estate. So guys, if you're excited about using the bowl method, do me a favor, drop a bowl emoji below this video, and I will see you soon, guys. This is Zach signing out. If you got any value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe. Go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling real estate course and community, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.